Hello, my name is Sharon. I'm from Lima Feed and Machinery. We are a manufacturer of extruders. Today we are in the factory now to introduce you 3 different types of extruders. That is the dry-way extruder, the wet-way extruder, and the twin screw extruders. And then I will tell you how to choose the extruders by yourselves. And now let me start from the dry-way fish feed extruder. Look, this one is the dry-way fish feed extruder, the LM60 model. Its capacity is about 100 to 150 kg per hour. This is the best-selling models in our factory. And you can see there are 3 motors in this extruder. This one is an electric type, and for the dry-way fish feed extruder, it's suitable for the fish farmers or starters. So if you want to make feed for sale, this is the first time to buy the extruders, this is a good choice. Its output ranges from 50 kg per hour to 500 kg per hour. And it can be single fish feed machine. You can also buy the fish feed lines, like a simple fish feed line. We also have automatic fish feed line. And this machine can make fish feed and pet food. Let me show you the feed. Let me show you. Our machine can make different sizes of fish feed, ranges from 1.5 millimeter to 12 millimeter. We just need to change the size of the mold. And the extruder can also make pet food, like cat food and dog food. We also just need to change the formulas and change the mold. We can make different size of different shape of feed, like a star shape, ball shape, bone shape, fish shape. We can customize the mold based on your needs. So if you are a fish farmer, or if you are a starter of a fish feed producer, you can choose the dry-way extruders. And then let me show you the wet-way extruder. We call it wet-way extruder because we need to it needs steam to make a fish feed. And this is a modulator. It is made of stainless steel. And this machine has 1 layer modulator. We can also make it 2 layers modulator, just based on your needs. And for this machine, as it needs steam to make a fish feed, so we need to equip it with a boiler or steam producer. And the steam will pass through this area and to this chamber. So since the powders is heated by the steam, so the feed will be easier for animals to absorb, and the animals will be not easy to get sick. So after the fish eats this feed, it will grow faster. So this is a very good choice for the factories who want to make high quality feed to sell in the market, because the feed made by this machine also looks better, and also in the production it has less pollution, because the powders are heated by the steam, and also the powder will be easier to get proofed, so the output is higher. And this machine is very suitable for the 500 kg per hour to 2000 kg per hour. So if you have a very big farm, and if you are a feed factory, you want to make a high quality fish feed, you can choose this one. This machine can be equipped to a whole production line, from a crushing area process to packing process. And then This bigger machine is a twin screw extruder. We call it twin screw because there are 2 screws inside of this chamber. So the advantage, the first advantage of the twin screw extruder is that you don't need to clean the machine every time after the production. And also, this you can see is very big. So the output of twin screw extruder is usually very big, like from 1,000 kg per hour to 3,000 kg per hour. And this machine is 2,000 kg per hour. And it also needs steam to pass through the chamber. So it also has a modulator, and it needs to work with a boiler or steam producer. And also, if you want to make a very small fish feed for the fries, for the baby fish or tropical fish, you need this machine, because this machine can make a very, very small fish feed, like less than 1 millimeter, like 1.5 millimeter, like 0.0 millimeter, 0.8 millimeter. You need this machine. And also, if you want to make a high protein feed, and if you have material that is very sticky, you can also use this machine. This machine has very relatively low requirements for the raw materials. So if you are a very big feed factory, you want to make a high quality fish feed, you can choose this machine. But the machine, the twin screw machine, the cost is higher. So do you know the difference of the 3 types of extruders now? And that's how you can choose the extruders by yourself. So if you have any opinions, or if you have any advice to us, or if you have any questions about our machines, you can feel free to contact us, and you can send us messages in comment area. And also, if you are interested in our machines, please also feel free to contact us by phone, by email, or on our Facebook. Yeah, that's all.